It was all in the cookies. Hi everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Homemade Goodies, where we make delicious homemade treats. And on today's episode, we will be making cake pops. I first made cake pops in 2017 at the request of a coworker at a previous job. After some searching, I came across the video How to Make Cake Pops, Easy Homemade Cake Pop Recipe by YouTube user In the Kitchen with Matt. And from there, I followed the instructions in the video and made a few alterations for my own cake pops. And so, without further ado, let's make them. For your utensils, you will need 2 large mixing bowls, a hand mixer, a spatula, knives and a spoon, a 13 by 9 inch cake pan, a cooling rack, a paper platter, parchment paper, lollipop sticks, and a styrofoam block. And for ingredients, you will need cake mix, oil, eggs, water, candy melts, sprinkles, and frosting. For this episode, we will use vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, and lemon frosting. The first step to making cake pops is making a cake itself. You can use any brand of cake mix for this. Just follow along with the instructions on the cake mix box of your choice. For this, we will use the eggs, water, and oil. Once your cake is ready, let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Once your cake is cool, break it into crumbs into your other large mixing bowl. When your cake is crumbled, add 5 to 10 spoonfuls of vanilla frosting and mix them all together so it makes a dough. Next, roll the cake dough into small balls. And now we use the candy melts. Add them into a small bowl and melt them in increments of 15 seconds. Use a lollipop stick to stir them up. Once you have the candy melts melted, dunk your lollipop sticks into them and put them on the cake balls. The candy melt should make something of a base for the balls to sit on. When you have all your lollipop sticks in the cake balls, stick them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. And now, you're ready for the frosting and the sprinkles. Take each cake pop one by one and add the frosting onto them. Then you add your sprinkles onto the cake pops and then put them on the styrofoam block. And so that's how I make cake pops. Vanilla is my personal favorite flavor. And so I hope you enjoyed this episode of Homemade Goodies. Be sure to join me next time, and until then, keep on baking! It was all in the cookies.